Dealers do this to reverse silver back to last year's price. Wouldn't it be great to pick up silver at $2 less than it is now? That's what it was a year ago. Well, dealers have figured out a way to do this. Here's what they're doing. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link and take home that silver. We all look back at the prior year and we want that price. This is the endeavor of stacking silver. It happens decade after decade. That's just the struggle. We always want the previous year's price because it was always better. Well, dealers have figured out a way to get rid of this $2 price that we presently pay. If you're picking up, whether you're a stacker or a dealer, if you're picking up silver rounds, even bar in the form of a bar or round, whatever you're buying, it's going to be $2 over spot. Well, here's what dealers are doing to get rid of that. They're able to get silver without that $2 price. And what they're doing is they're following the silver to gold ratio. This is what you and I as stackers need to be doing, because this is what the pros do. This is what the dealers do. They don't spend a premium for each of their silver rounds. They don't do that. They follow the silver to gold ratio, which presently is 90-1. That means they bring in 1 ounce of gold and they get 90 ounces of silver without any premium attached. It's just basically like last year's price. They're just getting this silver. They're not paying the $2. It's just the smartest way to do it. And this is what you and I should be doing. We should be using that silver to gold ratio in our favor, just like dealers do. And look, this is not only my theory. Here, check this out. This is Stephen Gleason from Money Metals Exchange explaining this clearly. Look at this. Dealers using the silver to gold ratio in their favor, meaning we're at the, I don't know when it started, maybe 3 months so far, we've had that widespread of the silver to gold ratio where a dealer can take 1 ounce of gold and swap it out for 100 ounces of silver and then sell that. So that seems to be new for silver stackers, but is that just a business model that's been going on and we just never realized it?
Yeah, it's not. That's more sophisticated. You know, that's the first step is just recognizing that you need to own gold and silver. Most Americans haven't gotten even to that point. So, but those that have been holders for a long time have started to realize there's these variations between the value of gold and the value of silver. And the reality is that in a bull market for precious metals, which we are in right now, clearly, gold will tend to outperform at the beginning, but silver will tend to outperform towards the end. And so we've seen really silver has not really gone anywhere versus gold. If anything, it's gone backwards, and it went to a 100-to-1 ratio in terms of gold. So that's an extreme, and we're seeing a little bit of a catch up already. I think we're going to see that accelerate as the bull market matures, and that means that silver should outperform gold. Now, that doesn't mean that gold goes way up, but it does mean that silver will relatively increase in value versus gold. Well, get your own silver. Click the link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. 20 silver eagles. They're giving it away. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list, and I'll see you on the next one.